Do you have some trash audio that you need to turn into something useful? Well, I got 3 tools to show you that might be able to help. Here's the sample video that I made that we will be testing in these tools. I'm recording this video using my cell phone. I have a window air conditioner unit running about 2 feet from my head. And for added measure, I'm going to add in a little bit of an electrical hum sound. And there we go. The first tool we're going to try is Adobe's Enhance, which I guess is also called Adobe Podcast AI. You can find it at podcast.adobe.com/enhance. As a free user, the limitations are that it is audio only. You can't use a video. 30 minutes is the max duration per file, and you have a 1 hour total daily limit. So if you need to split something up to keep it under 30 minutes, that's fine, but it won't let you do more than an hour a day in total, and the max size is 500 megabytes. I ripped the audio from that video into an audio only file, and I will drag it over into Adobe, and our enhancement is ready to listen to. I'm recording this video using my cell phone. I have a window air conditioner unit running about 2 feet from my head. And for added measure, I'm going to add in a little bit of an electrical hum sound. And there we go. That definitely removed a lot of the noise. It seems like it made my voice a little bit higher. My voice was kind of high in that recording. I don't know why, but it did seem like it made it even higher, and it's not perfect by any stretch of the imagination, but it did help it. From the same screen where you dragged in the file you wanted to enhance, you just click the download button and it pops into your downloads folder. If you want to be able to bring in a video file to enhance the audio, or to deal with files that are longer than 30 minutes or more than 1 hour total in a day, you'll need to subscribe to Express Premium, which is $9.99 a month or $99.99 per year. Our next contender is Descript, and I do have a paid subscription with Descript. I'm using the web-based version, and I just created a new project, dragged in the video file. Descript has transcribed that file here on the left, and I came over on the right and applied Studio Sound by clicking this little toggle. Let's see what it did. I'm recording this video using my cell phone. I have a window air conditioner unit running about 2 feet from my head. And for added measure, I'm going to add in a little bit of an electrical hum sound. And there we go. That came out very similar, in my opinion, to what Adobe came up with. Now, it does sound like it took out a little bit more of the background noise, but it also feels like it suppressed my voice somewhat, especially in a couple of different spots. I can come over here to this Studio Sound, click the settings button, and then drag the intensity down, maybe to 75%. And we'll go back and play through that again. I'm recording this video using my cell phone. I have a window air conditioner unit running about 2 feet from my head. And for added measure, I'm going to add in a little bit of an electrical hum sound. And there we go. That seemed to let a little bit more of my voice through, but it also let more of the background noise through. With Studio Sound at 100% intensity, I didn't hear any of that electrical hum noise at all. With it set down to 75, I could tell it was there. Not as bad as in the original, but it was there. Descript does have a free plan, however you are limited to 5 uses of the basic AI suite, and I believe that is a lifetime total, not per month, because in other places it specifies when things are per month, and Studio Sound is one of those basic AI suite tools that you're limited to. So if you use the green screen 2 times, then you would only have 3 uses of Studio Sound to go before you needed to upgrade. If you go up to the hobbyist plan, you get 20 uses per month of the things in the AI suite, and that costs $12 a month. The creator plan, which is the one that I'm on, is $24 a month, and that includes unlimited use of everything in the basic AI suite and the advanced AI suite. Now for our last contender, we are going to look at CapCut. I am using the pro version of CapCut. At this point, the free version of CapCut is really limited to just the basics, and in my opinion, is only good if you want to check it out and see the look and feel and how things work in there, or if you're only doing very, very simple editing. I'm using CapCut Desktop for PC. I created a new project, dragged in my video file, and then I went over on the Audio tab, and I have clicked on Enhance Voice, and I left that at the default 75% intensity, and I also turned on Reduce Noise. Let's see how CapCut sounds. I'm recording this video using my cell phone. I have a window air conditioner unit running about 2 feet from my head. And for added measure, I'm going to add in a little bit of an electrical hum sound. And there we go. So that did a lot better than I expected. I think that might be even better than Adobe and Descript. It definitely did a great job of reducing the background noise, almost eliminating it. I feel like it didn't step on my voice as much, at least not as much as Descript. One thing I noticed in this version was it seemed like the S's were more sibilant, more shiny S, kind of ear-hurty things. But overall, it did a really good job. I was not expecting that from CapCut. Now, pricing for CapCut, I'm not even going to attempt to show you because I hear it's different prices in different places and different times. All I can tell you is that I paid $100 for a year, and that was probably 4 or 5 months ago. What I hear most often is $9.99 a month or $100 a year, or some people say $11 or $12 a month or $120 a year. Somewhere in that ballpark, you'd have to check it out for yourself. Based on where you are, what day of the week it is, and what CapCut's doing, I have no idea. Now I'm going to play back the original and then all 3 of the enhancements just back to back. Here's the original. I'm recording this video using my cell phone. I have a window air conditioner unit running about 2 feet from my head. And for added measure, I'm going to add in a little bit of an electrical hum sound. And there we go. Now Adobe Enhance. I'm recording this video using my cell phone. I have a window air conditioner unit running about 2 feet from my head. And for added measure, I'm going to add in a little bit of an electrical hum sound. And there we go. And now Descript with the studio sound set at 75% intensity. I'm recording this video using my cell phone. I have a window air conditioner unit running about 2 feet from my head. And for added measure, I'm going to add in a little bit of an electrical hum sound. And there we go. And CapCut with Enhance Voice at 75% and Reduce Noise turned on. I'm recording this video using my cell phone. I have a window air conditioner unit running about 2 feet from my head. And for added measure, I'm going to add in a little bit of an electrical hum sound. And there we go. So that's the comparison of those 3 audio enhancers. There are certainly others that are out there. And something else I want to caution you about, just from my own experience, is that just because a sound enhancer does a good job with one particular situation or scenario, doesn't mean it's always going to win in every use case. There are all kinds of different background noises and problems that you can encounter with your audio, whether it's a hum from your computer coming through your mic, or it's a fan in the background, a dog barking, or any number of other things that can mess up your audio. It's always good to try the free stuff first, and each one of the tools that we looked at today, the paid versions of those applications have many, many other things going on, and the audio enhancement is just one little part. If you don't have any of these kinds of tools and you just have an audio file that's less than 30 minutes that you need to make sound better, I would probably just go the Adobe route, even though I'm not a huge Adobe fan, but it's pretty easy, browser-based, send in your file, get it in, get it out, and be done. See if it works. Even though I don't know that it performed the best today, I would probably rate it second out of these 3. And if you think audio enhancement is something you're going to need more frequently, you might want to just consider that as a factor when you're evaluating which video or podcast editor you want to get into. I hope this has been helpful to you, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.